Hi, I'm Val, the head of the knowledge at the PitchGround. I'd like to talk about Virusdie, this incredibly amazing antivirus tool for your websites. What is it for and how it works? Let me show you around. Once you've connected your websites to Virusdie, you have the list of them in the Websites tab. You can scan your website immediately by clicking on this wheel. If you see that red dot next to your website's name, well, it means we have found something fishy. We'll get to this in a minute. In this panel you have some quick actions. You can set the schedule for auto-scan your website, turn on and off automatic site cleanup, and turn on and off the firewall for your website. You can also find all these settings if you click on your website's line and navigate to the Settings tab. You can maximize or minimize this window by clicking on this arrow, or you can close it with this red arrow. Alright, here we are in the Reports tab. You can click on this green wheel to scan your site again if you need to, clean it up immediately, or click on the report line and see the file that can cause you some troubles. Here you can see all the details about the file and thread. You can clean the file if it is curable, add the file to the exceptions, in this case file won't be scanned next time, or you can delete the file. If you click on the file line, this will open the built-in file editor, where you can see the malicious code highlighted with red. Okay, now let's clean it up. After the process, you'll get the cleanup report. Now you can see that red dot is gone. To make sure everything's fine, you can rescan your website again. Brilliant! Your website is clean now. You can restore files by clicking this icon. Please bear in mind that you can restore files only from the last cleanup report. If you still think that there is a malware on your site that Virusdie cannot detect, you can click on that link and reach out to the support team. They will create new detection and cleanup rules for free. If you have any questions, you can look up at the knowledge base at virusdie.com/FAQ, or you can create a ticket to tech support from here.